Alright, so I'm just going to brush through the hair first. I don't know if I have to, but I've had this hair now for going 2 years or approaching 3 years or so. Yeah, I think it's approaching 3 years from Love Lux Hair on Instagram. So I'm just brushing through because I just had the hair balled up and like thrown in a bag, so I didn't want to. And my first time using this, is you're getting my first impressions. I've never used it before. I didn't test it out before I made this video. I just really trust Vanity Planet, so I hope that trust doesn't come and bite me. But yes, my first time using this hair is virgin hair, and as you can tell, it's like if you had natural hair and you cream it out, or what do you call it, cream abroad, straighten it, or I don't know, perm, I don't know. So alright, so I'm going to put this on. Now I do have thinner hair, like more finely textured hair, like Peruvian and stuff. I'm going to test it with this. So this is what it looks like. It's a little spoke thing is in there, like a, oh, it's hot. It's on the highest 350. And at the back here, you can see the number here, like the screen is here, 370, sorry, Fahrenheit. And you have the up button to turn it up, down button to turn it down, off button in the middle. So I've never used this before. Alright, let's see. You see that sheen, and there's nothing under here. Oh my gosh. You guys are seeing that this thing is straightening it, right? You guys, you're seeing this. You are seeing this right now. Oh my gosh. Wow, this is crazy. You know what I thought when they had told me that they were to send this? I thought it would be like two brushes that you clamp, look at the smoke, that would be clamped together, so it would still be like a flat iron kind of a mechanism. But I'm literally, the only thing is my fingers getting onto here because my hands are small. I guess if your hands are bigger, you won't have that problem. Wow, I'm not even going to speed this part up. Alright, so I can still brush through it some more, but here's one side and here's the other side. So it's hella thick. Let me comb out in the middle, because in the middle feels really, really thick. And it's like the brush, it's going through each hair. You know, like with the flat iron, you have to use like a small amount of hair. This is going through, like I'm feeling it on the other side of my hand. Wow. I'm trying to figure out if the heat is coming from the top of the spoke thingies or if it's coming from the inside, like on the plate itself. Oh, that's hot. And look, I can go in here and not worry about burning myself. I guess I can do the same for the flat iron. I'm going slow here because hair is thicker, because it's the back of my neck. Wow. Wow. Okay, I see you. I see you, boo-boo. Okay. Look at my hair. Alright. Of course, shitting. Oh my gosh. No freaking way, man. There's just no way. Oh my gosh. Wow. This is nice. This is nice. Okay, I'm going to try a different hair. Alright, so this is my Peruvian hair that I got from Beauty Box 876 on Instagram. I got it for my 30th birthday. As you can see, I haven't worn it in a while. But I think I'm going to wear this hair instead today. Because the swag I got going on. If I was wearing my, like a kimono dress or like a kaftan, then I would wear the natural hair and probably some big earrings, you know, keeping it all natural and stuff. But yeah, so I'm going to do this today because of what I'm wearing today. I'm looking a little bit more chic, a little bit more modern chic, and not so Afrocentric chic. So I'm just brushing through my hair, and I've never seen a product like this before. I don't even know who thought of it. I don't know, but it's darn innovative, and I'm sure other companies have this, you know. I'm not saying that Vanity, no, oh, it felt like the closure tore a while ago. I'm not saying that Vanity Planet is the only one who has this, but yeah. And I'm gonna slip it on. Right, now the front of my hair right here, so always has this little curl thingy. I do not like it. There we go. It's still on the highest. I have not turned it down. I just can't believe this. It's a brush, but it's also a flat iron. That's crazy. And it's just, you know, with the other hair it was kind of stopping a little bit. With this one, it is fully, it's just like going through, I guess because the hair is fine. Look at that, it's just going through, it's not even gripping. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's hot. Oh my gosh. And it's getting every single strand, like what I say. You know, like with the flat iron, you're not quite sure, you have to go over it and stuff because the hair is just smushed in between. This is pretty dope. Pretty dope. This is pretty dope. Wow. Sorry, my phone is going off. This is dope. This little thing always here. I don't like it. You guys. Oh my gosh, this is, I mean, apart from the hair being bomb, which Beauty Box 876 is a Jamaican owned virgin hair company. So apart from the hair being bomb, it's just, I can't believe. All I have to do is just like brush, look at that. And the sheen that it gives it. This is so, there's no product in this hair, and y'all know I don't wash my hairs, honey. I'm not, if you don't know, I'm not a hair washer. I don't wash my hairs at all. The first hair that's a flat iron, the thick afro one, but I haven't washed that in what, 2 years? Or a year and a half? Wow. 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 This is nice. Now I can take on those pictures, like on those videos, like where it's like straight and like disheveled. Right? This is so nice. This thing is making me really want to wear this hair today. Hold on, let me come around here. This is cool, Vanity Planet. Alright, so let's talk about how it came. It came in this flow, it says VP Flow. It's a ceramic straightening brush. So it's one of those boxes that you flip up like this here. And then the brush comes in here, and of course I have a little quote right here which says what it says. I don't know because I can't see it, but I don't read backwards, honey. Then underneath it, yeah, so these are the, I think, like instructions and stuff. And it came underneath it here. Now this is pretty cool. I've never seen a straightening brush before in my life. So for me, this is very exciting. And to be honest, I've had this now for about 3 months or probably a little while longer, and I have not used it because I've been a little bit apprehensive in doing so, because I wasn't sure how to use it. I was like, is it a brush or what? And I did not research. I'm just going to brush through my hair normally because I turn it off. I did not watch anything at all. Let me turn it back on. I'm going flat iron. Brush it while I talk to you guys. So there's hair in it, and the hair just comes out. No, my only thing is when it's dirty, how I'm gonna wash it? Because you see already, because I haven't washed my hairs in a while, so the dust and stuff on it from the hairs, kind of nasty. So how am I going to wash it? I have to read the instructions to see how to care it. So that would be one. I just thinking now, that would be the only thing for me, like how to care it, because this thing is beautiful. Does it push down? This thing is, and is a reward of those who diligently seek it. This thing is, it's so good. Now, as I was saying, I've never seen a brush like this before. So you're getting my first impressions, you're getting my oh my god, you're getting my genuine concerns, because I didn't test it out or anything like that before. Oh, you can flatten the top too. You can straighten the top. You see that sheen that it leaves back on it? It's so good. Alright guys, so the video cuts off here for some reason. I'm not quite sure why. But I just want to say that I really do love this brush. It is very innovative, I think. And after I made this video, I was watching Amanda Bucci's video and I saw that she got one. I was like, oh, she got one. So it's pretty cool and I really, really love it. And it's just a time saver. It cuts straightening your hair and brushing your hair. It just fuses them together, which is very innovative, I think. So, you know, you guys know I'm a partner with, well, I'm an affiliate with Vanity Planet. So in the description bar, there is a discount code and also a link where you can purchase also the scale that I used to weigh myself, that tells you your body fat percentage, your bone density, your muscle mass, your weight and all that junk. That's also in the description bar below for you guys. And you know what, I'm gonna talk to you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm sorry the video cut off, it's pretty weird, but thank you guys so much for watching and I'll talk to you in the next one. Bye guys.